Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix all network related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, then go down, then select general management, then again go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are facing issue with the Wi-Fi, internet or Bluetooth, you can try this. Tap on this network reset settings button. Tap on this button. Then tap on this reset button. Okay, done. Network settings reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.